Good day. My name is Clean Olasena from BSHM Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management 1B. Peace Studies. Good day, Sir Sian A. The topic that I choose to discuss in this video discussion is corporal punishment to children as a form of discipline, a violation to human rights. Claim. Corporal punishment is ineffective in disciplining children of all age. Data and reason. Parents in the Philippines discipline and punish their children through the use of corporal or physical punishment in the following form: spanking with hands, pinching, hitting with an object, twisting the child's ear, pulling the hair, slapping the face or head, or shaking. Filipino children also experience threats of physical punishment and humiliating treatment such as being shouted at in front of others, libeling, and denigration. In a survey conducted by Save the Children in the Philippines, 85% of children surveyed said that they were punished in the home, and 82% said that they were hit in different parts of the body. In the areas covered by the UNICEF Country Program, 60% of women, 3.6 million, report that they use at least one form of psychological or physical punishment to punish or discipline their children. In particular, 13% reported that they use some severe physical punishment on their children. Evidence. According to the World Report on Violence and Health 2002 by the World Health Organization, in the short term, corporal punishment kill thousands of children each year and injuries and handicap many more. In the longer term, a large body of research has shown it to be a significant factor in the development of violent behavior, and it's associated with other problems in childhood and later life. Children who are disciplined with spanking or other physical punishment are more likely to be anxious and aggressive than children disciplined through other methods. Various research show that corporal punishment is ineffective in disciplining children of all age, and most often it's produce anger, resentment, and low self-esteem on children. It also teaches the child that violence is an acceptable behavior and is a solution to problem. Those corporal punishment perpetuates itself as children imitate the action of adults. Children have expressed that they do not want to be hurt by their parents and teachers, and wish that there are other non-violent way of disciplining them in the Philippines. Researches and interview with children show that children behavior that discipline is important and that they need guidance from adults. Parents admit that they feel guilty and sorry about punishing their children, but they are not aware of any other way of disciplining children except for what they have learned from their own parents, grandparents. Parents have expressed the need for alternative, positive, and non-violent method for disciplining children. The Committee on the Right of the Child has emphasized several times that corporal punishment is not compatible with the provision of the Convention on the Right of the Child and inconsistent with the requirement of respect for the child's dignity. Warrant. Article 37 of the Convention on the Right of the Child requires state parties to ensure that no child shall be subjected to torture or other cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. As a state party to the Convention on the Right of the Child, an international covenant on civil and political rights, the Philippines has the obligation to prohibit all forms of physical and mental violence, including corporal punishment and deliberate humiliation within the family, in accordance with the Article 19 of the CRC state parties are required to take all appropriate legislative, administrative, social, and educational measures to protect the child from all form of physical and mental violence, injury or abuse, neglect or negligent treatment, maltreatment, and exploration, including sexual abuse, while in the care of parents, legal guardian, or any other person who has the care of the child. The committee has made it clear that this required the prohibition of all form of corporal punishment, including punishment inflicted by parents in the home. The World Report on Violence Against Children recommended the prohibition of corporal punishment in the home as well as in other settings and the promotion of positive, non-violent relationship with children. The report also called for the prohibition of corporal punishment and other humiliating and degrading treatment in school. An act prohibiting the act of imposing corporal punishment on children, amending for the Fourth Republic Act number 7610 as amended, otherwise known as a Special Protection of Children Against Child Abuse, Exploitation, and Discrimination Act, providing penalties. Section 1, short title, this act shall be known as the Anti-Corporal Punishment Law. Section 2, there shall be incorporated under Section 3 of Republic Act 7610 under definition of term. Thank you and good day.